Did you know that India and China together are expected to account for nearly 40% of global economic growth in the coming decade? But here's the big question. Can India overtake China in creating wealth for its people? Let's dive into this fascinating economic showdown. Wealth creation is about more than just a country's GDP. It refers to building assets, increasing income levels, and improving the standard of living for individuals. While GDP measures a nation's total output, wealth creation focuses on the prosperity and financial well-being of its citizens. So, how does India stack up against China in this context? India has a unique advantage, its demographic dividend. With over 65% of its population under 35, India boasts a young, dynamic workforce. The growing middle class, now over 350 million strong, is driving consumption like never before. India is also becoming a global hub for technology and innovation. With thriving IT exports, a booming startup ecosystem, and government initiatives like Digital India, the country is rapidly modernizing its economy. However, challenges remain. Infrastructure gaps, education inequality, and corruption are significant roadblocks that could slow down India's progress. On the other hand, China's economic transformation over the past 40 years is nothing short of remarkable. It has built the world's largest manufacturing base, dominated global trade, and invested heavily in infrastructure. China's government-led initiatives, like the Belt and Road Initiative, extend its economic influence across the globe, ensuring access to markets and resources. But with an aging population and rising production costs, some cracks are starting to show in China's growth story. While China excels in manufacturing and exports, India shines in services and technology. India's democratic system fosters innovation, but it also slows decision-making. Meanwhile, China's centralized planning ensures efficiency but stifles individual freedoms. Geopolitical factors like trade wars, shifting supply chains, and advancements in AI and green technology could also tip the scales for one nation or the other. The race is far from predictable. The truth is, predicting the future of wealth creation in India and China isn't straightforward. Both countries have unique strengths and face distinct challenges. What's clear, though, is that their trajectories will shape the global economy in profound ways. Now it's your turn. Do you think India can outpace China in wealth creation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more in-depth content on finance and economics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And check the description for links to further reading on this topic. Together, let's explore the future of the global economy.